Hey everybody, my name is Rachel Easton and this is Module 1, Discussion 1. The first question, how do I see an aspect of the reading in my classroom? The aspect that I chose is the appealing to and finding the interest of students. On page 43, McGuinness states, when learners are interested, cognitive processes become more effective, effort increases, and consequently the quality of learning goes up. I see this in my classroom during my animal science classes. During my animal science, we go through all the different units from reproduction to genetics, history, and so on. And to get students really involved and have their interest in this topic, I allow them to choose the animal that they are going to learn this on. So it could be a giraffe, it could be a pig, it could be a horse, a cat, any animal that they are interested in. The second question is one area to improve on. I would say I need to improve on using technology and having a purpose for it. I had a whiteboard, a smart board in my classroom this year, and to be honest, I used it more as a glorified overhead projector than using it for the capabilities it really needs to have. My stakeholders are my students and my parents, and I would think that they really appreciate the level of technology I use in my classroom. Teaching welding and ag mechanics, we use a lot of technology from welders to a CNC plasma machine to LabQuest. And so we use a lot of technology, and I think they would appreciate that. Thanks.